birthday, Delia.
You are so beautiful in and out. Masaya kami dahil mas nasumpungan mo ang tunay na beauty na may Kristo sa buhay. Kaya you are more beautiful in our sight and in much more in God's sight because you have Jesus in your heart and in your life. Happy birthday. God bless Ate Del.
Right. Pa-birthday kayo sa... Nahilan na personal.
God.
Hello,
God bless. Okay.
Delia, God bless. May the Lord always be with you and your family.
Again, Ate Del, we wish you a happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Del. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan. See you soon. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Hi Tita Dalia Moreno, happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana lahat ng wish nyo is matupad. And ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tita Del! Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. More birthdays to come.
God bless po.
Hi Ate, happy birthday. I'm feeling 42 years old. I hope and pray that you are all well. I hope and pray that you will enjoy your special day. God bless you more. Happy birthday.
Hey Ate, happy birthday. So I will declare Psalm 91 into your life. Basahin mo na lang siya. May the blessing of the Lord be upon you as you continue to pray for the salvation and the blessing be upon your family. And may you continually grow in Him, in the knowledge of Him, as you submit yourself as a student of the Bible, as a student of His Word. Huwag tayong mapagod ni pag-pray ang ating mga kapamilya upang makilala nila si Lord sa kanilang mga buhay. Salamat Ate sa buhay mo. Thank you for coming to Dubai and looking forward to see you back again here. God bless you. Happy birthday. May you find joy, peace, and love always into His presence. God bless.
Hello Ate Del, happy birthday. Yes, ang aking forever young na pinsan. I love you po and magpakaingat po kayo dyan sa far away. Balik lang po kayo pag pagod na ha. Paalaga naman sa mga anakis. Charing. Love you Ate Del.
Hi Del, Ate Tina here. Extending my greetings to you here from California. I know it's your birthday today and I wish you all the best. And I'll pray that God may always bless you and grant all your heart's desires. May you always be happy today, tomorrow, and every day of your life. I love you, Dale. Have a blast. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Delia. Happy birthday. Umalis ka na nang hindi ko na natinig ang boses mo. Happy birthday. Many birthdays to come.
Hi Del, happy birthday. God bless you. Safe always. Love you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Hello, Delia. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lang dyan. Bye.
Happy
Happy birthday, Sister Del. Loobin ng Diyos na ikay marami pang matagpo ang malapit din ang puso sa Diyos at ikay maging matagumpay sa paglilingkod sa Diyos.
Ingatan ka.
Ingatan ka ng Diyos sa kamang makarating. At loobin ng Diyos na maging matagumpay ang iyong pagkakakay ng maraming kaluluwa para marap sa Kanya.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Sister
birthday,
Del.
Sister Del. Happy birthday.
Ingat ka dyan kung saan ka man naroon. Ingat ka, pagpalain ka ng Diyos.
Happy birthday, Mama Del! Ingat ka na lagi dyan. I love you. God bless you.
Hello Ma, happy birthday ulit. Ang wish ko sa iyo is bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming kaarawan as
At syempre, good health. Thank you for everything. Palagi mo tatandaan. Palagi kami nandito para sa'yo. And palagi ka mag-iingat dyan. So enjoy, have fun, and best wishes on your birthday. Thank you.
Hi, Mal. Happy birthday. I just want to say thank you for everything you've done since day one. And wish ko is bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng maayos sa pangangatawan and guidance sa'yo pagpapasok ka at pag-uwi mo sa iyong tinutuluyan and kasama ng mga workmates mo. And si Lord na ang bahala sa lahat ng mga plano natin para mas marami pa tayong matulungan at the same time, and soon magkakasama-sama rin tayo. And ayon, mag-enjoy ka dyan and continue to spread the word of God. And I know yung short visit mo dito sa Philippines is na ituro mo sa akin, mas lalo akong nagkaroon ng relationship with God. And thank you sa lahat-lahat. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Good health always. Thank you for everything. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Love you.
Hi, Ate Del. Happy birthday. I hope your birthday is as beautiful as you are.
We are so happy with what you have achieved and what you have become and your achievements with your children too.
God bless you more and take care always.
We love you. Enjoy your party.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy